Hi, welcome to the last lesson of the course, in which we will see a speed painting. But first, we'll do the inking. It consists of a soft black inking. Now we're using the Smooth Properties Photoshop CC 2018 that makes the hand movement slower, so the brush works slower too. Well, actually you cannot notice here, but as you see I'm drawing just lines. Some quite thin lines, to represent the hair and the drawing shadows. I'm linking every line to an exact point to achieve this nice effect. It's like the hair. It has more details than it actually has. But there are just a bunch of lines close to each other, giving the impression of a really developed hair. You have to be really patient to achieve this effect. There's no other way. And as we have already said, the Victorian style has many details. Hence, we have to create it slowly. You have to be very careful and pay attention to every detail. If not, it could look very simple. In fact, this period wasn't known for simplicity at all. Patterns, frills, updos, laces. So don't be afraid of erasing and start it again, as I said before. In short, this inking is quite easy. After, we'll apply the colors. You won't find any problem. It didn't take me much time, because I wanted to show you the final result of the details. And in the end, we'll apply a texture to give the painting a special look. In this case, I was looking for an ancient, antique appearance. You'll see afterwards. When you finish the inking, save the sketch and let's start applying colors. I want to make it to look like an old picture. Great. Keep applying colors carefully. It's not a special brush, it's just a rounded one. And you can change colors as you wish, or erase when you're not happy with something. I was thinking of slightly muted and desaturated colors. Navy blue shades would be perfect for this illustration. I haven't chosen the color palette before, but you can do it if you want. The worst part of this can be erasing. It's a bit boring, but we have to do it either way. And that's all. That would be the resulting color. However, we want to apply an old picture look to the final project. So let's try to look for a sepia effect. Let's find an old paper texture picture. And when you have it, save it. And apply it to our design. Set the filter to multiply, lower the opacity, and you'll have this nice result. I love it. What do you think? we cannot see the colors with the texture. Okay, that's all. I hope you like the result and the course. And see you on upcoming courses. Thanks for enrolling. Bye!